just make the every pot symbols so that it is easy for us when we making the remaining angles also. So for that we'll start from, okay, start from pelvis. Select all the pelvic related parts. Okay, and then press F8 for make it symbol. For that go to not new symbol, convert to symbol, modify, convert to symbol. Shortcut is F8, or else you can right click and choose convert to symbol. Okay, and name it. Don't choose movie clip, choose graphic. Move clip we use for effects and any web related animations, but for the character animation and cartoon animations we mainly choose graphic only. So name it properly, otherwise you'll get confused the next time. So don't give random names, just give the names as per the body parts. If you don't know the names of the body parts, just Google for them and learn. Okay, name it pelvis. Don't go to advanced options, these are all enabled uh, for the purpose of game animations. They export as an action script linkage with the scripts and all, so we don't need them. So don't go for advanced options, and registration point keep it bottom. Press OK. Now this is converted as a symbol. Send it back, and now select them and rotate and choose. Okay, I think it rotated nice. So turn on this option and off this option if you don't see the bottom objects. So you can turn on this show all layers as outlines, and then you can select them. So including circle I have selected and rotating, but with the circle it's not deforming properly, so leave the circle. To unselect that, again press shift and click on that, so that only that particular part will be deselected. And now press F8, or you can choose like this. So name them left upper leg registration point. Anyhow, we'll change the registration point later also. So adjust it properly. With the transformation tool, select the part and keep its pivot point registration here, so that when you rotate it or animate it, it will move or rotate from that particular point. Okay, and then come to this part. Convert to symbol, name it left lower leg, and keep its pivot point here so that it will see here. Because of the circle we have here, you can see the volume is deforming properly, otherwise you will see something like that. If the circle is not there, you'll see like that. So to avoid that, we use the circle there, send it back, name it convert to symbol left shoe. Okay, it should deform from here. Where is our ankle joint? Slightly, that's it. And now come to right side, we named it left, right, yes. Convert to symbol right upper leg, change its pivot point, convert to symbol, choose right lower leg, send it back, control down arrow to send it back. Okay, and this one, convert to symbol right shoe, keep its pivot point at the ankle. Okay, friends, now overall our bottom part is completed. Now so we only made this separate, right? I think we better made pelvis with along with waist, I think so. press F8, convert to symbol, and then name it waste, send it back. Okay, now it's time for our torso. First group these spots, or else you can select them in symbol also. Press F8, outfit, go top, and then select this and the torso, so all these spots, and again convert them to symbol. I think we better do along with this. So convert to symbol, upper torso, send it back. Okay, now this is separate pot, this is separate pot, this is separate pot, all these are separate pots. We're making them as different individual pots. Name this subject, convert to symbol, neck, keep its parent font here, send it back. Set parent font for our torso also. It should rotate from this point, so like that. Okay, not bend too much, just for slight bending actions. Now this one, check to see whether it's deforming properly with circle. Not. So it's better to not move circle. Name it, convert to symbol, left per hand, send it back. Convert to symbol, left lower hand, keep its origin point here, and see whether it's, yes, it's deforming very properly. And now this one, press convert to symbol, name it hand underscore palm. Okay, keep its pivot point here, outline it and check it from where it deforms properly. Okay, now better delete this, bring it, duplicate that one, bring it here. Excuse me. Right click, flip horizontal. Where is that? Transform and flip horizontal. This one, convert to symbol, right upper hand, send it back, keep its position properly. Okay, and now this one, convert to symbol and name it right lower hand, outline them, just the pivot point, check it and see. I think we have problem with it. We have to adjust it properly. Now it's fine. Now you can check it. Yeah, it's deforming properly, and this is also. Now still our head is remain. Select all this except this neck and the back hair. I think we made group already. Okay, except this we select everything. Okay, and press convert to symbol head, HEAD. Keep that pivot point here, I think, because our neck connects straightly to the skull at this particular point at the back side, almost opposite of the nose. Now you can move it a little down. Okay, and now this one, name it ponytail, pony, send it back. Okay, friends, We have converted every individual part into different symbols and named them. Now, in Flash latest versions like 2019 and 2020, we got very nice feature called this one, parenting. You can maintain parent in this like in many other softwares. So before that, we should select all entire this all these parts and make it another symbol, convert to symbol, and name it front. So it's in front angle. If you double click on that, you will be taken inside the front symbol. So now you're in inside of the front symbol. If you want to come back, double click outside, or you can click on this scene, or by using this name, mean this arrow, you can come outside of the scene. Now you're actually in the scene. If you want to go inside the character, you have to double tap on that character. I mean on that symbol. Okay, friends. Now we can't animate this character when all the parts are in same layer. So further, we have to distribute every part into different layers. For that, select all the parts, right click there, and choose distribute to layers. For that, the shortcut is Control Shift D. Okay, so how this works, let me tell you. It works as per our arrangement of the objects. So as per our arrangement, if the hand is above this torso, then the layer also comes above this torso. If it's below the torso, and the layer is also maintains below that particular object. So the layers comes in hierarchical way as per their arrangement order, as the object arrangement order. Select all the parts, press Control Shift T, Control plus Shift plus D to distribute layers into, to distribute all the objects into different layers. Okay, now delete the layer 1 because it contains no object. Keep saving your work. Okay, now every part is in different layer with respect to their names. If you see, there are some layers called layer 0, layer 41. I think they are the circles. Yes, they are circles. Anyhow, we will animate them. We can keep that circle inside this object, right? Here we can keep it like that. So we don't need this. I forgot to group them along with the circle. Delete the empty layers and unnecessary layers. Here also we can keep that circle inside this delete the empty layer. Where is that? If you want to increase the frames width, you can drag this slider for zooming them and zooming out them. Here it is, delete it. Press the delete button or delete icon on the timeline. This circle also you can keep inside the upper hand. We can keep these circles also inside the torso, inside the pelvis. Actually, in older versions of the Flash, we should have to animate a parent and child individually. Like if I want to move the hand like this, I have to select this layer, this layer, this layer. For example, increase timeline for all the layers. up to here, select there and press F5. F5 means it gives the timeline. Now I want to move this layer, this layer, this layer. So select all of them and I have to set key for all the frames. Insert keyframe, insert keyframe, give classic tune or motion tune, classic tune or motion tune. And now I have to select all them again, go to transformation tool, keep pivot point properly, and now I have to move it. So this is the process. I think you see you got lot of issues here. It's moving individually and it's moving individually. So to avoid that, previously animates actually club completely this two into this one here, and if they want to animate, now they can animate this layer alone and then go to inside, and again they keep this layer in separate layer. Okay, so they use it to animate them like this, like that. Okay, this is what is the process in previous versions of animate or in flash, but in later versions we got parent and child relations. I'll show you how this option is very much useful. So consider this is the parent of lower hand and lower hand is the parent of palm, like that. Pelvis is the parent of thigh. The thigh is upper leg is parent of this lower leg, and this lower leg is parent of this foot. And the pelvis is also parent for, because pelvic bone is the main thing that all the spine and the legs are connected to. And the upper hand is connected to the torso, and the neck connected to torso, head connected to neck, like that. So now here we got options: parenting view. So click on there. Now I want to parent this upper leg to where is pelvis? So click here, click on this orange color icon, drag it and release it to the pelvis layer. So now it connected to pelvis. If you move the pelvis, that leg also moves like that. Left lower leg to pelvis, torso, waist to pelvis like that. Lower leg, left lower leg to left upper leg, right lower leg to right lower leg, right upper leg. This should come here. Left shoe to left lower leg, right shoe to right lower leg. If I move the pelvis, the entire lower part is moved, right? Like that. Pelvis is also tear into waist. No, upper torso is child to waist, and this upper hand is tear into what upper torso. Lower hand is child to left upper hand. This palm to left lower hand, right? And palm to left lower hand. Where is that? This one to waist, no torso. This one to right upper hand, and this one to right lower hand. And neck to torso, head to neck. See, now let's move waist and see. Few parts are pending. Right lower hand to right upper hand, right? And this one to right lower hand. Now let's move and see. Okay, we'll keep these circles inside the torso. Send it back. You can delete these layers. Like that, this circle is also you can keep inside our waist. Send it back. Okay, friends. So this process made our animation look very easier. I like this way. But if you want to go with the only the previous old method, you can choose that one. That's your wish, and you can use both in as per your need and animation process. Because in animation they don't see which way you're doing, but they see only your output. Output is important in whatever way you may do it. So if I rotate this only upper leg, the complete leg rotates. Keep its position properly. See, it's very easy, right? Yes. We have to parent our pony to head. Pony to where is our head? Okay, it's in top. So it should move along with our head. So once again, what we did, I recall what we did now. Actually, by using the parent and child method in the latest version of the Flash, I rigged this character. First, I made every individual parts into symbols and selected all the symbols and converted them into one single symbol called front. That means front angle. And I double tap on come inside the front angle. And here I selected all the objects and distributed them into different layers. For that I pressed Ctrl Shift D, or else you can right click and choose the option distribute to layers, so that every symbol will be distributed into different layers, and now all these layers is distributed as per their arrangement of the character. And here I parented, I mean, the sub objects to its, I mean, I mean, as per their hierarchy. Like, see, if you rotate this leg, along with that, the lower leg is also will rotate or move. So if I bend my hands, the shoulders, and everything will bend, right? So based on that, so everything should connect to the pelvis, which is the main area of our overall body movement. For that, I paired this two thighs to pelvis, and this leg to this upper leg, this leg to this upper leg, and shoe to this leg, this shoe to this leg, like that. This palm to this lower hand, and this lower hand to this upper hand, and this upper hand is parented to torso, and this torso is parented to this waist is parented to pelvis, neck is parented to torso, head is also parented to neck, this pony is parented to head. I hope you understand. See, if I rotate my head, pony is also rotating. Okay friends, now it's time to our next angle. So if I came outside of the front angle and came to the scene, here I can see only the particular one single frame, right? So what's the use of this? If I animated all the layers inside and I want to completely move this object, if for example I made a walk cycle, so it will walk here only. So what if I want to move that walk cycle from this point to this point? In this time it is used outside of the scene. Actually I will made a walk cycle inside the character, and outside I'll move it from here to here by using this. Here I'll add another frame and move from here to here. So it will walk from here to here instead of one complete cycle